ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯒꯤ ꯅꯍꯥꯟꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ merger agreement ꯁꯦ ꯄꯥꯔꯨꯕ ꯃꯇꯨꯡꯗ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯃꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯂꯥꯏꯔꯤꯛꯁꯦ Autobiography of a Yogi ꯁꯦ ꯄꯥꯕꯅꯦ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯄꯥꯕꯁꯤꯗ very interesting thing sigi map si yengbiyu mayam India gi map ne mase sigi larik si original unaltered edition ne ba masigi larik si 1945 ta phong bane ba first edition se let me see 1945 the first edition no sorry 1946 first edition first printing published by the Philosophical Library, New York. See, 1946 the Ponganeva. Aduna Maduki 1946 ki matam sida sigi maps sida akoigi India gi maps si Bengal, Calcutta sida loisaleba ko. Aduna akoi mayamna history the Manipur ga akoi India ga merger to was a very important point. Manipur was not at all a part of India or recognized, and that merger agreement was in 1949. So I just wanted to highlight that this is a map of India in the book Autobiography of a Yogi, which is one of the very famous spiritual book all over the world.